All right, so I'm on the way to the grocery store. I've never really been a fan of grocery shopping because I don't like to do it. It's just not fun. But ever since I've been using this app, I like it more and more because I'm actually getting paid to do it. This app, you're gonna get cash back doing it, and you can actually make a good amount of money. I'm about to show you. Watch this. All right, so here's the app right here. I will leave the link to download it in the description. Once you download it, you can actually get $5. So just be mindful of that. You can get a quick $5 by downloading, clicking the link in the description. And like I said before, you're going to get cash back to your grocery shopping. You see here it names 3 stores: Walmart, Kroger, Target. These are just a few. They have lots of different stores, so there's way more than this. So first I'm going to show you my account balance. I have $3.70 on my account. I went to Walmart early and bought a few things, so I'm going to show you how I do this. So basically I'm going to click on Walmart, and then I'm going to show you like my list of things that I actually checked off already through the app. I'm just going to go here, show you the list real quick. I bought some bread, I got some juice, some Lysol wipes, things like that. So I'm just going to scroll through the list real quick, and it shows the amount of cash back you get for each item. So basically with all of this, I should have about a little bit over $4. So always take a picture of my receipt. In Walmart, they have the barcodes. You just take a picture of that barcode. It says receipt matched. And now you see there, with all those items that I got $4.44 cash back coming to me. So I'll just click done, wait for the receipt to submit. And it says it'll be added to my account within 48 hours, but they always do it instantly. So now let me go back to my account balance and show you right there, $8.14. So very, very simple. Like I say, you just check off the item that you get, you see how much cash back it is, and then you can take a picture of your receipt. So I'm going to show you some things you can actually get for the money. You need a minimum of $20 in order to cash out. They got PayPal, and they have lots of different gift cards. It's dark because, I don't have enough to redeem, so that's why they are dark. That's why I can't get any of these, but they have lots of different options for you to cash out on. All right, so let's say, for instance, you have an item and you're not sure if it's the right item that they want cash back on. You can always, at the bottom in here, check barcode. So I can scan the barcode to make sure this is the correct item, and it says barcode match. So you're going to get 25 cents for the box you just scanned. So you know that's the right product. And so now I'm going to show you lots of things that they offer on this app. I'm going to click on Walmart and in-store. You could do this for any of the stores, but just one in particular, Walmart. It'll show you the things that you can get. Lots of different ways you can categorize it for you, for what's hot, what's best value, different things like that. I'm just kind of going through showing you all the different items they have. They always update this list. It stays updated, like basically daily. They're always adding to it with the new offers that you see. After this is the best value portion of it. But all you'll do is you see that plus mark on these next to each item. You just click on that, add it to your list, and then you'll see that it will actually create a list for you. Then you get done shopping, you take a picture of that receipt, it'll see it on the receipt, and you get credited just like that. And for whatever reason that you don't see the product that you put on your list, that you don't see it on your receipt, or they didn't credit you for it, you can always go back and scan the barcode of the item that you bought and get your cash back that way. So you'll never miss out on cash back. But they have lots of different offers. As you see here, I'm still scrolling through it, just showing you how much it is. So very, very must that you download this app, because I know a lot of you go grocery shopping. You have families. Even if you live by yourself, you still go grocery shopping. So you might as well make some money from that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could have went to Walmart and got all these products and not made any money, but I did. It was $4.44, not a lot, but it continues to add up. So I just want to show you guys that. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Sign up today. It is completely free. You'll actually get $5 in your account when you first sign up if you use the link below. All right. So get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.